Hi, I'm back with my number 4 Stitch Fix. My last one, those gray pants that I ended up keeping, I actually had to contact them and say, hey, can I actually get a different size because these didn't work out after all. I got a 6. I thought they fit during my try-on, but they were just a little too big. When I was getting ready in the morning for work, walking around the house, they started just sliding down and I had to keep hiking them up. So I was like, all right, I think I do need a size 4. These are actually a little too big after all. So they did honor that and they sent me a size 4 and I love them. They're perfect. They look really good. I'm really happy with that. But this box, I requested only blouses for work. I didn't want any shoes this time. I didn't want any pants. And considering the size of it, I'm going to assume it is all shirts or blouses as I specified, just because when I say tops or shirts, it doesn't necessarily mean a nice work blouse. So that's what I specified. This cardigan right here is actually from my first fix. I love it. It's the most cozy cardigan ever. I don't wear it for work. That's what my stylist wrote in my little note for my first fix, that, you know, I can wear this cardigan with work, but at my workplace, this doesn't really, it's not suitable for work. But I guess I will go ahead and get right into it. I got this box earlier than I normally get them. I normally get them at the end of the month, but because I only bought 1 pair of pants my last fix and I didn't get any tops and I was really upset about it, I was like, I need more tops, so I went straight to Kohl's and I just bought a whole bunch of tops or blouses for work. And then I requested a fix for today, July 5th. So here is my envelope, which I most likely will end up using. Here is the note and the checkout form. Stitch Fix Box Challenge. Let's make a race. Show off your kids' creative skills for a chance to win $100 Stitch Fix credit. That is really cool. I'm actually going to do this. I'm going to do this and I'm going to submit it. Let's see, where do I have to post it? Any social media? Oh, Instagram. I don't have Instagram. That doesn't work for me. That sucks. Oh well. Oh, there's some, oh, I thought there was something else. I ordered 2 more, pantyhose because I bought these ones last time and they ripped because my nails. And then I bought a pair of black ones this time too. So that's what that is. I guess I will read my note real quick and I'll try not to peek at anything. Okay. Hi Heather, how are you? Thanks for taking the time to update your style profile. As you've requested, I've focused this fix on bringing you a variety of blouses to choose from. To start, I grabbed you the Fun to Fun split neck blouse with a floral print. This print is fresh and trendy, perfect paired with jeans for a casual day or for the office with the gray trousers you received in your last fix. Next, I grabbed you the Rainn polka dot crochet trim blouse. I'm excited, I like polka dots. This option would look great paired with black trousers and the gray blazer from your May 29th fix. You'll also find the 41 Hawthorn blouse in black. While I know you don't normally gravitate towards solid colored tops, but give this one a try. The lace detail adds texture and interest. I can't wait to hear your thoughts on this selection. Enjoy, Heather. XO Adrian. So I did request tops or blouses that will go with black and gray, because I want different colors and stuff that'll go with those two. So I guess we will get right into this. Let's see. Ooh, I like this so far. Look at that bundle. Polka dots, a cute little print, flowers, some solid colors. I am super excited about this one. Ooh, I like the polka dot one. That's so cute. Look at that. It's got this little detail on the sleeve. I do have a black and white polka dot top, pretty much exactly like this. It has sleeves though, but this is super duper cute. It is the Rainn Poppins Crochet Trim Blouse. Yes, I love it. And I like this one. I like some of these more colorful ones because then I can wear them with jeans and in my casual time too. Oh, look at that. What size are these? Medium. Okay. That is really cute. This is the Fun to Fun Mackenzie Henley blouse. I think she gave me all mediums this time. We'll see. They might be a little too big. I might have to request a small. Exchanging for a small. I'm definitely excited about trying these on. Ooh, I like this one. I don't like the orange, but that's really cute. I don't know. It's different. I'm not sure about this one. If you can see it up close. It's orange and blue. It makes me think of the UF Gators. Yeah, I don't know. Let's see. Fun to Fun Kenmore split neck blouse. That's cute, but I'm not totally sure that is my style, work or not.
I'm hoping Adam's.
I like this. That is really cute. Y'all be careful.
Okay.
This one is where's the tag? 41 Hawthorn Jared lace detail cap sleeve blouse. So if you see the lace detail, and then there's a zipper in the back. That's cute. I could definitely wear this one with that gray one that she was talking about. Last, be careful, don't drag her. Lastly, we have this pretty little floral top.
That's so cute.
Fun to Fun Kenmore split neck blouse. Was there another one that was called that? I like that. That is super pretty. Look at that up close. I really like these. Now for the prices on these.
I know,
just be careful. Okay. I'm nervous. So the Rainn Poppins Crochet Trim Blouse in black is $64. That's very pricey for a top. The Kenmore split neck blouse in navy, I don't know what's, they're both navy. I guess I have to, this one is considered navy and this one is considered navy. Oh, but Fun to Fun and Fun to Fun. Kenmore split neck blouse. Okay, so they have numbers. 71105.
Oh, look at you.
Okay, so this one is the 125, 42, and then this one is also 42. I'll probably only keep one. The Mackenzie Henley blouse. I don't remember what's what. Oh, okay. 44. And the... Oh, wait. Which one is... These names are so confusing to me. So this one's the Jared in black. Oh, this one is... This lace one's 58. And this polka dot one is 64. So I already have a black and white polka dot exactly like that. So I'm not going to spend $64 on another one. Let's see, this lace one is 58. I probably won't keep that one either. I won't keep this one. So this Henley blouse, 44, I am keeping. And this other split neck 42 I am keeping. So that's, yeah. I'm definitely going to keep those two. But the other ones, not so much. So all in all, it was $250. The buy all discount of 25%, subtract $62.50. So that, oh, and then add my $9.50 for one pair of, can you not do that right here, please? For the tights, so I had 2 pairs, each $9.50, so it's $19. So then that's $206.50 minus my $20 styling fee, $186.50. So yeah, I'm not gonna keep all of them, but I really like this print, and I like this flower one too. 42 and 44. So that's what, $88 for two. That's minus 20, so $68 for 2 blouses. I don't think that's too bad of a deal. Like I said before, if I'm buying casual clothes like what I'm wearing right now, I don't want to spend a lot of money. But when I'm buying nice, pretty tops for work, I don't mind spending a little bit more. So $88 total for both of them. I've already paid the $20. So, oh, I gotta add the extra $20 for the tights. So 88 plus 20 minus 20, so it's 88. So yeah, I don't mind paying that much for 2 blouses for work because I think they're really nice. So again, I don't do try-ons because I'm using my iPhone. I don't have a fancy setup on my camera or anything like that, or an app to edit videos, so I'm just gonna leave it at that. And I hope you enjoyed this fix. I enjoyed it. I was really happy with all these pretty little tops in here, so thank you for watching.